everyone, I'm Yano from Takenaka Corporation. Thank you for a great opportunity to talk about Takenaka Smart Building Innovation. From the moment a building is handed over, it continues to live as a space for people's life and activities for a long time. Our theme is how to make that time richer and more sustainable. Hi, I'm Senior Manager overseeing Mechanical and Electrical Operations in the International Branch Asia Division. I have carried out all work processes from design to construction management in 4 countries: Japan, India, the United States, and Singapore. This is today's agenda. First, let me talk about overall pictures of smart cities. The concept of urban OS, promoted by Japan's Cabinet Office, aims to create strong connections between physical and cyberspaces. The data of building, human flow, energy, and other information are gathered in urban OS. The goal is to optimize services like disaster prevention, energy management, and logistics across the entire city. Next, I'll explain the differences between conventional and smart buildings. The left shows current conventional buildings, and right shows smart buildings. In conventional buildings, digital transformation has already progressed in many areas. However, each individual system needs coordination to work together. On the other hand, smart buildings have a building OS, which is a centralized data platform with a common data model. This allows them to provide services based on data. This shows the role that smart buildings play in smart cities. We define smart building as a platform for solving social issues and create value. The important thing is to separate the collaborative domain and the competitive domain. A smart building collects data from physical assets and brings all that data together on a platform called Building OS. Then, the collected data is used by various external service groups. This shows the Takenaka's 3 features of our smart building: data-driven control ecosystem, strategic decarbonization, new value creation. These are specifically realized through the close collaboration of these 5 elements shown on slides. Building OS Buildcomi, which I'll explain next slide, is a foundation that continuously evolves buildings sustainably. Energy management handles renewable energy utilization and BCP responsiveness. People flow predicts human movement and enhances space convenience. And finally, common ground consolidates digital information into physical spaces, and robot service provides support to people there. Let me explain about Buildcomi. This is a cloud platform developed by Takenaka. It's a building OS that safely manages building data and provides high-value services. Through IoT Gateway, digital data like building and personal data are collected. This data is gathered in the cloud platform Buildcomi. The goal is to create value by working together with operation systems, services, and applications. We have worked on many smart buildings since 2011. Let me introduce one specific case study. This project is not a new construction, but a full renovation completed in 2022 by Takenaka. It was a very important challenge from a sustainability perspective, transforming the building into a cutting-edge smart building while making use of the existing structure. There are two concepts. Through these two concepts, we aim to reduce energy consumption by 50% and to achieve continuously CO2 emission reduction by making the building smarter. This is the first thing, which is about making buildings smart. This photo shows the central monitoring center of this building. Building management data, personal data, and digital data are sent to our cloud platform, Birukomi. And we use this data to operate the building. We also have a real-time location tracking system for office workers. We can see where workers are in real time and use this information to control air conditioning based on how many people are in different areas. This is explanation about cooperative air conditioning control. We use not only people's location information, but also temperature distribution and personal request data like hot or cold sent from the app. These are integrated by building communication system and analyzed by AI to enable controls that create a comfortable space. Next is about second theme for decarbonization. To achieve decarbonization, we combined passive and active approaches. To improve the building envelope performance, we upgraded from single-pane heat reflective glass to low-E double-glazed and double-sash window. To reduce air conditioning energy, we installed a new natural ventilation system. For active approach, we upgraded with high efficiency improvement. For heat source, we changed from gas-fired absorption dispenser to electric modular chiller. We changed the chiller water outlet temperature from 7 to 10 degrees. Also, we changed from fluorescent light to LED and integrated brightness and motion sensor control to reduce lighting power consumption. We also installed 41 kilowatt of solar panels. Although not in use in this building, Takenaka has other solutions for decarbonization. This is just a reference for you guys. Xavier is our own system that makes it easy to simulate ZEB at the initial design stage. Also, Metafarm is a system that converts food waste generated in buildings to energy through methane fermentation. This shows the evaluation result before and after renovation. CASBW, W stands for Wellness Office, is a tool used in Japan to evaluate building features focusing on people. It is similar to WELL, which is well known in Singapore. These graphs shows evaluations of health and comfort, convenience, and productivity. The scores improved in many areas thanks to renovation. As a result of renovation, AI-controlled air conditioning and lighting improved energy efficiency by 14%. The building's overall operational energy efficiency and CO2 emission were reduced by 50%, and occupant productivity also increased. We achieved the highest S-rank certification in CASB for Wellness Office as well. Finally, we, Takenaka, do not see buildings as simple containers. As Murakami-san said, we aim to evolve buildings and cities into platforms that solve social challenges. By incorporating quality of life and well-being from the planning stage, buildings and cities can better support for a sustainable society. Takenaka also aims to enrich lives through data-driven smart cities. We believe our expertise in this field can contribute significantly to Singapore's development project. Thank you for your attention.